to a comprehensive guide on nursing as a subject in Ausbildung. We're going to be covering everything there is to know about that particular subject, the eligibility criteria, the documents, the universities, and everything there is to know so as to answer your questions. Nursing plays a crucial role in the healthcare system with providing essential care for the patients and helping in the medical procedures. Nursing professionals are highly respected for their dedication and their compassion and how much they help to the society. This is a rewarding experience and a great career option for a lot of people. Nursing is a vital profession in healthcare, especially in Germany, where there are high standards for all the healthcare enablers to meet so as to provide the best healthcare out there. The Ausbildung nursing program is designed in such a way so as to provide all the necessary skills and the knowledge which is required to become a competent and a compassionate nurse. The duration of this particular course is usually 3 years. This 3-year-long course includes classroom training, hands-on experiences, and practical experiences in the healthcare settings. This really prepares you well for the challenges and the upcoming situations in your healthcare system. Upon completion of your apprenticeship program and Ausbildung, you will receive a certificate that qualifies you to become a professional nurse. Let's jump into the requirements so as to enroll for this particular program. Number 1. You must have completed your compulsory education, usually till class 12. Number 2. You must be proficient in German language and should be able to prove that through a German proficiency test. Number 3. You're going to need a job seeker visa because you're going to be working along with your classroom training. Number 4. You must have a valid residence permit for the while you're going to study, which is going to be 3 years for your particular program. And number 5. You're going to have to be between the age of 18 to 24 years. Now let's talk about the documents that you're going to require for enrolling in this particular course. Number 1. School leaving certificate. Number 2. Passport and visa. And number 3. A German proficiency test certificate. On number 4 comes a curriculum vitae. And on number 5 is a reference or a recommendation letter. Number 6 is proof of financial funds. And number 7 is most important, healthcare insurance. Now let me talk about something that we all are wondering about. What's the fee structure? Fees for nursing program usually varies depending upon the institution or the program that we're doing. In some and most of the cases, the tuition fee is usually waived for international students. Additionally, there are various scholarships and financial aids to help cover your expenses. Okay, well, everything looks pretty clear, but what about the institution that I should be applying for? Well, don't worry, I've got you. Germany is a home to renowned institutions and universities which offer nursing programs. And some of the top universities include, on number 1 is University of Applied Sciences Bielefeld. On number 2 is Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich. On number 3 is University of Applied Sciences Osnabrück. And on number 4 is University of Freiburg. Okay, so now that we're done with eligibility criteria, documents, and universities, what is the application process that a nursing aspirant should be following? Let's break it down. Number 1 and most important, research the universities and the institutions which offer nursing in Ausbildung. Number 2, ensure that you're meeting all the language proficiency tests and the certifications that is required for the program. Number 3, submit your application with all the requisite documents including a reference letter, recommendation letter, and your transcripts. Number 4, some programs may require you to attend an interview and qualify that for your application process. And number 5, if you're accepted, you're going to receive your admission letter from the university. And that's everything you need to know about nursing as a subject in Ausbildung. So whether you're passionate about healthcare or helping the community or looking for a rewarding career, nursing has a lot to offer. We hope this video helps, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubts, feel free to reach out on this number.